Guys, here we go with the Veoltric Summit one again. I had a little bit of right here when I was turning it. It was making some type of weird sound. I better adjust my light. I'm out here on the Whiskey Flats Trail. But anyways, back to the bike. Here in the headset, I was having some weird sound the other day. It was kind of like not a clunk, not a grinding, it was something squeak kind of. So I had to pull all this apart, and they didn't have any grease in it because it's sealed bearings, I guess. Anyways, I greased all that up and put it back together. Then I read online here about these. If they're plastic, they change them out to aluminum. And I put aluminum on there. And the squeaking and the weird rattling, whatever it was, is gone now. So, anyways, out here on the Whiskey Flat Trail, it's starting to rain. Just wanted to give an update if you're having that problem. And in here in the headset where the wires go in there, there's a pin under here, 2 pins, and you got to line them up. And I didn't know that, so it was kind of a pain in the butt until I figured that out. But yeah, enjoying the mountains. It's pretty good bike, I guess. I had some issues here and there with it, but overall, I'd suggest getting it. You get out and do stuff like that. Alrighty, guys. Have a good day.